Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to create Google Docs resume link, or you can say how we can create a resume in your Google Drive or Google Docs, or how you can share it, how you can how you can upload your resume file from your computer to your Google Drive or Google Docs, and how you can share the links to the others. I will show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So first you have to come in your drive, because whatever you create like Google Docs, if you create any Google Docs, so it will be saved in Google Drive only. So just log in with your account first. Now okay, you can upload your existing file or resume from your device. So you can upload from here. Just go to the new and click on file upload, and from here you can find out your resume. I have what file which is okay. Just select and open it. It will be upload. So I have already file is uploaded, that's why this pop-up I show to show me. So the file has been uploaded. Now you can open file from here directly, or you can find from here, or you can search from here, or you can go to the recent tab and you can see the this file which is you upload recently. Okay, so this is file. Oh okay, assume that this is your resume, and I'll just type resume headline. So you okay, this is my resume. Okay, so now if I want to share to others, I have need to click on this share, and you will see the option. The pop-up one pop-up will come in middle of screen, and you can share by email. But in this video you have to select, you have to enter email. So I have entered 2 email. You can enter up to 30 email, up to 50 email here, email ID. Now you can change the permission. The permission is when you make this editor, that people can edit your file, so they can make changes in your file. So commenter means they can comment on your file, or viewers mean they can only view, they not able to edit anything in your file. So you can notify the people when they send this message to you, and just type the message and send it. So after send, this person will get this resume on this tab. Okay, so this share with me tab, which where you can find all details, all files and folder which share by others. So you just share on email. That's mean the people this got they will got this file on this tab only. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can share by email link. So you have to click on, just cancel it and come to the link, and here you can see this is a link you can copy. But before that you have to change the restricted to anyone with this link. Okay, so make it anyone with this link. Don't send with the restricted mode, because it will be asking for access permission. Okay, so maybe the people get trouble to open this file. So just make it anyone with this link, and make the permission as a viewer, and just copy the link, and you can share it on email, WhatsApp, messenger, anywhere. Okay, so this is resume. You can share the file. Okay, so if you want to share file, if it's okay like this, you just select the file, and you can use this option which I show you, which first one email and second one the link. Okay, if I click on it, the same window will be open. Okay, so I just click on it and same window open here, and you can share by link as same. Okay, so now if you want to create resume on Google Docs, you can create from here. Go to this tab, new tab, go to the Google Docs, and you can get the Google blank documents. So you can create the new resume. You can rename it, like just double click on it, so you will able to rename it. So I just rename my resume. So you can insert resume here. Okay, if you want the resume templates, you can find the templates from here also. Go to the new, click on this tiny arrow and go to the templates. Okay, let it open. Okay, so it is open now. So here you will see there is a resume template. There is a two resume template I have, and you can use it. Okay, you can also search resume templates more. Just hit the Control and F for find and type resume. So you can see I have 10 templates here, and just hit the enter and every interview you will find the resume templates here. So you can see I have lots of templates. So just click on any templates and edit it. Okay, so this is templates I just want to use. So now you can rename it, you can change the name and all, and you don't need to save it, it will be automatically saved in Google Docs. You have to find here, just search by name or go to the recent tab, or you can filter the docs only. So you will see the all open and save file here, and you can share same as I show you. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.